some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us, wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple, now they're all memories.
Hi you guys, I am baking today. I'm making these little heart-shaped raspberry cookies with it's kind of like a shortbread and then a raspberry jam filling, and I'm so excited. I have the dough, I just made it and I just popped it into the fridge so it can set, and then we're gonna roll it out, bring out the cookie cutters. I'm wearing this dress because I think it's so cute and I wanted to wear it when I was baking. It's like a little cupcake skirt and it's so cute. It has a little halter top, and now I have to clean these dishes right here because we gotta use this for later. So let's go do that. I'm just gonna put them, I got these like little boxes here for pastries, and I would always have these boxes so I could deliver them or like deliver baked goods to my friends. In college I had like a bike and everyone had a bike, but I would like deliver them in these, and that was really fun. But I had some leftover ones and I'm just gonna pop the cookies in here to store. They turned out super cute. Like, I love the heart-shaped ones. I specifically Amazon primed a heart-shaped cookie cutter for this because I needed it for this recipe. Like, you can tell them.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you, the clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be?
You guys, I'm at Hotel Lafayette right now and everything is so cute. Like, I love how everything is decorated. It's a very like vintage kind of aesthetic and vibe. And I heard that they go completely like all out for Christmas. Like, they deck it all out and it looks super cute. So I'm really excited to come by for Christmas and see the decoration. I just stopped by the poolside. So cute. We took some pictures And then we are waiting right now for the pool room to open because they have pool tables and they have a bowling alley apparently too. So I think they don't open up until 5. So we're just kind of waiting until they're gonna open. But yeah, let's go head over there and see. I think it's like every room in here is decorated so beautifully, and yes, I will show you guys. But yeah, let's go head over there.
That someone like you could fall for somebody like me. I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you?
Down, reverse triangle. Find the vector in the button above present.
Yeah.
Ton of bandwidth when we met. 80 something searches on your name. We made a bet we could be friends. Could be, yeah. Backyard fires, plotting out the dream. Sharing problems, only friends can meet. You passed the test, and we were friends. We were, but now you're famous. You're taking on the world. Everybody cares now. You gotta change yourself. Hyper focus, ride that current, pick your currency.
Hello you guys, I'm at the beach right now. I'm gonna lay out for a little bit and tan. It was so beautiful and I'm so excited to be here. We still have a few hours to sunset and the beach is looking good. I haven't been to this one before, so let's go find a little spot to lay out at.
Take a chance, waste the night. I'm a little bit overdressed just to find love in a stranger's home, to feel a little less alone. Solo cup, solo love, both of us so over it. But I'm liking our dialogue. I'm trying to fit you in all my talk. Searching for you in somebody else. Replay conversations in my head about us. Trying to find the words I just can't say. I was running around you, watching words and biting my tongue. There's something about you.
This is my roadmap. I just got her at the bookstore and I laminated her, you guys. So she's looking beautiful and I literally laid her out on the table to measure her. She got a tiny little speckle stain somewhere. But I'm very excited because I'm gonna put some pins on her and I'll get a cork board and then put some pins, put little pins everywhere that I've been in the world, everywhere that I want to go. And I'm going to add to it, and I'm very excited because I've been wanting a world map for a while to do this, and I feel like every travel girly needs one of these. I don't know if you guys have heard about the fig tree analogy, but it's basically about how you want to live so many different lives, and the life that you choose is always going to be mourning another path that you did not choose to take. Because at the end of the day, we can only go down one path, right? The fork in the road, we can only go down one path. And I feel like for me, especially even just like looking at this map, I'm like, big tree analogy. I relate to that so much. I feel like I'm always wanting to live like 10 different lives at once. Like the minute that I jump somewhere, I'm like, oh, but I want to do this, I want to do that, but I'm so grateful for where I am. But I'm so excited to do this. And I feel like that's something that a lot of people have been talking about recently, just like fig tree analogy. And I think it can be very overwhelming, but also very exciting. The whole thing with that is to, of course, be content with where you are and grateful for what you have. So there's a part of me that says, yeah, there are like 10 different lives that you want to live. Okay, why not try them all, right? And of course, there are decisions that we have to make, and there are things that might block our path if we choose a certain path. But I feel like for my mission, my goal with that, to remedy that feeling, is I really want to, as best as I can, live all the different lives. You are the creator of your life, and why don't you try a new life? I don't know, move to that new city that you want to move to, or travel to that place that you've been wanting to travel to, and do what you can to make it work. I know, of course, it's not all going to be perfect or planned out the way exactly that you hoped or wanted, but even just getting little tastes of each of those lives that you do have, I think it's important, because how do you know what you want if you never try it? And something as moving to a new city, for example. I mean, when we grow up, we're always like, oh, where do you want to live for the rest of your life? But how do you really know where you want to live if you've never lived in other places, in other cities, around you, or out of state, or out of the country, or just around the world? Like, there's so many places and there's so much unknown to us that we have to learn about and absorb, and then I feel like we can get a better scope and perspective of what we do want. Fig tree analogy is a very interesting one. I'm curious what you guys think about it. Anyways, I have a murder mystery dinner party tonight. I'm very excited. I don't know if you guys have seen the reels on Instagram about murder mystery dinner parties, but basically every person will be assigned a different character to play, and someone was murdered. So we have to figure out who was murdered. Sorry, not who was murdered, but who the murderer is. And it's gonna be fun. I've never been to something like this before, and my friend planned it all out. So it's kind of like a little dinner party action. I'm very excited. It is also like a 2000s theme, so I'm gonna figure out my outfit. I'm gonna get ready for it. It's basically like a murder mystery party is a Clue board, you know, the Clue board game where they figure out who the murderer is, what the weapon was, stuff like that. It's basically like that, but in real life.